and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable clipboard permissions in Chrome on a PC. So clipboard is a temporary storage area on your computer. It holds the data that you copy, like text, images, or other files, so you can paste it elsewhere. In Chrome, it works in conjunctions with your operating system clipboard, meaning you can copy and paste content between the Chrome and other applications. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Chrome browser, and then here at searching address bar, and then you need to type any words or any website. So for example, we need to type this google.com and then press enter. And then beside this google.com, then you can see this icon. So this is the view site informations, and then you need to click. And then again, next step, then you need to select a site settings in here, then click again. And then next step, so under add permissions, and then we need to scroll down and find and locate this clipboard. All right, so we need to scroll down, and then here you can see now this clipboard on right side on how to enable or disabled. So you can see this arrow and then click, and then you can allow now, or if you want to disable, and then click again this arrow and then click this block. All right, so block or allow. So disable or enable. All right, so that's it guys on how to enable or disable clipboard permissions in Chrome on a PC. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on Chrome features, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.